See here, this is my video on my channel. If you promote this video on my channel to my website, that is called, we can increase my video views through my website also. First of all, you can show my concept. My concept is how to increase earning on YouTube channel in 2018. This is called my assumption. This is called my assumption. Now here, in this one, we can promote into the my website. In my promote into the my website. That is called, I can thinking on keyword into this option. I'm thinking to on keyword into the my website. That is called, just look the my keyword. So this I'm posting for into my website. I'm not using for same title. I can using for this option call is how to earn more money on my YouTube channel. This is my title for this YouTube video. Why? Because when you're posting any video on your website, your YouTube title on your website will be same. Completely will be different. Go to your website. This is my website, South Hill News. I can go to the admin panel here. First of all, you select for your post. Select your new post. Select my title. Now select it. Same title we can using for SEO title, description and keyword. We can choose my images. We can make it image using for canva.com. Select your file. Click for download. Select my image here. Just I'm going to this option here. See this one. Select this. First select your title. We can select by YouTube earning 1 minute earning and 10 minutes earning. Now select your video, click for share, select for embed, copy this code. Now click for admin, just enter here, enable your source, just come here, copy this code, this is your source code. The video will adding for frame code with a new image, click for submit. So before that, a mistake here, select your language will be English, category will be here news, click for submit. Here I shall tell you the difference. This is your image video thumbnail. This is your image for YouTube thumbnail. Just same video I can upload for our website. This way, go to news part with your different title, description keyword, and using for different image. See this. This is called my video will be adding for our website. The loading website will be there. Just give me the seconds time. This is my video from where YouTube channel. My thumbnail, my website thumbnail, both are different along with title also. This is called market on your video on using website. Your YouTube title and thumbnail will not same on your website title and thumbnail. Is it clear? This is the market for your web video on your website. If anybody asking to how to put the video on your website with a different title and description, this is a procedure from your website marketing and along with your YouTube video marketing.